What's good, y'all? This your boy, the Warlock King. Finally finished building his PC yesterday. I probably should have did this video yesterday, but I just wanted y'all to, get a little glimpse, what it looked like, you know. Instead of MSI Z178 G45 motherboard, that's that Skylake CPU, that 6700K, the big dog. And that's that Boss Hog graphics card, that 980 Ti, so a nigga could game in, 4K, 60 hertz. You know how we do. HDMI 2.0 on the Vizio 4K TV, and got the G-Sync monitor. And we enjoying life right now. Even though still, even without the gaming PC, I'll still be enjoying it, you dig? But, you see it, Chicago Bulls colorway, red and black all day, you know. That's how we do it. Give y'all a closer look at what it looked like inside. Well, that can zoom, clear up. You can see that there. Look at that deep cooler. That's that liquid cooler right there. Y'all see the red fans up in there? Take a look at the red fan. I know it's hard to be able to tell, but maybe I'll cut off these lights. Y'all be able to see the red fan up in here. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's just simply amazing. It's the boy PC, you dig? Look at that. You see that detail back there? What is that? 20 degrees. My CPU is 21 degrees, and it's going back and forth. Man, this PC is on chill. Got the LEDs on the motherboard going crazy. But this my PC, man. I hand built this myself. Man, this is probably like about 3 years in the making. Normally when I save up money, I kind of blow it, and I kept saying every year I was going to build me a gaming PC. Well, guess what? Your boy did it. You know what I'm saying? And I told y'all, man, that Asus monitor you did, that's that 3D. Look at that. Look at that in that corner. 3D vision. Check that out. Look at that. The Asus monitor. Look at that. 3D on the stand, you did. For the gaming PC, for your boss. That's 1 millisecond refresh time, you did. 144 hertz. 1080p. Don't get no better than that.